Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to switch the battery on an iPhone 6, and these are the tools that you are going to need: a pentalobe screwdriver for iPhones, a prior or something similar, which I am going to use. You will also need a regular star screwdriver for the battery pack, and one of these box cutters are very good to have. You'll also need a suction cup for removing the screen, and of course the new battery. So let's get started. I'm going ahead and removing the pentalobe screws. There are two here. The next thing you want to do is put the suction cup over the screen like this, on the low side, not here. Here you have connectors which you don't want to pull out. So with that put there, the phone will open over here. So in order to do that, I will use one of these to pull upwards slowly, and you can see it opens over there. Now I will take my tool, this one. If it's hard to open, you can cut along the edges, but I don't recommend that. So carefully you put your prior inside this area. That way it opens up. Now go ahead and do that on the sides slowly so you don't crack the screen. Over on the other side, keep prying while pulling this. Just do this carefully. So this way you remove the screen, and on the other side. Once you have this, you slowly try to pull it open. Guess it needs some more on this side. Okay, once you're here, you wanna bend it over like that. And this connector here, you want to keep it there because it's the screen. So don't pull too hard. I will put this against something so the screen is secure. Then I will take this one to open up the battery connector. Over there. So the connector here needs to be pulled up. Okay, like that. This battery is glued, so you will have to heat it up in order to get the glue off, so you can pull the battery out, because if you do it from the outside, not from the inside, you don't want to damage this part here. But see, you cannot pull the battery out. it's glued. So I will just use a hair dryer to soften the glue. Okay, so once it's nice and hot, I will go ahead and try to remove it by prying it up. And you see, it is kind of tough to remove. Try to keep as much of the glue as possible in there. It's not easy, you guys. Really glued. Try to keep some of the glue there. There you go. Okay, so all battery out. Now I'm taking the new battery. There we have it. So you're supposed to put new glue, but I don't have that, so I will just leave the one I have here. This one should be by the connector, so I will place it inside, press slightly, and I will use this one to put the connector in the right spot. There we go. So once it's inside and secured, press it slightly, put this back, okay, so now that's back in and we'll see how it's done. Put the front back in first, then press it back down, remove this one and put the pentalobe screws back in. Okay, so time for the test. and it's working. Yay! Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe and see you in the next one.